Welcome to Facet Writes. In this video I will tell you the best beauty tips for boys. How to look young, beautiful and most attractive person. We know what you're thinking. I'm a dude, I don't need beauty tips. The truth is, if you care about the health of your skin, your hair and your body, which you should, then you need to have a bit of a beauty regimen. With these simple beauty tips for men, you'll be able to keep your body happy without much work. 1. Moisturize your skin. You take care of all the organs inside your body, but what are you doing to care for your largest organ, your skin? An adult carries around about 8 pounds of skin, so you need to make sure it's healthy. Moisture is the #1 way to keep your skin healthy. Drink plenty of water. And if your skin still feels a little dry, apply lotion after you shower. Use a body lotion on, well, your body, and get a face and skin, especially face, moisturizer for your face. 2. Protect your face and skin, especially face, when you shave. Shaving can cause irritation and ingrown hairs. Ouch! Plus, men's skin is more prone to sensitivity, so if you're not using a shaving cream when you groom your face and skin, especially face, you need to be. Look for shave creams with soothing, antioxidant ingredients. We like Avada's Men Pureformance Shave Cream. If you struggle with redness when you shave, a soothing shave cream will save your skin. Notice we didn't say shave gels. Gels tend to have more alcohol. 3. Cleanse your face and skin, especially face. Women aren't the only ones who need to wash and cleanse their face and skin, especially faces. Pollution, dust, sweat and dirt from just daily activities can clog your pores. At the end of the day, you need to wash your face and skin, especially face, to clean all that gunk from your skin. Cleansers help remove excess oil, so if you struggle with acne or oil, you'll want to add a daily cleanser into your morning or night routine. 4. Use shampoo for men. Men's scalps are different than women's. A man's scalp is more likely to become itchy, irritated and react poorly to certain ingredients. Because of this, men should use hair products tailored to them. A man's scalp also tends to produce more oil than a woman's, so you need a shampoo that can cleanse hair without over-drying it. You need to find a shampoo built for men to keep your hair and scalp happy without drying either out. 5. Men can use conditioner too. You may have heard that guys don't need conditioner. If your hair is under 2 inches, you might be able to get by without using it, but if you have longer hair, you'll definitely want to add a bottle of conditioner to your shower shelf. 6. Whiten your smile. Your smile is one of the first things people notice about you. Healthy, white teeth not only look nice, but they'll save you time and money at the dentist's office. Brushing, flossing and using mouthwash on a daily basis lowers the risk of gum disease, cavities, bleeding and infections. These can cause serious damage down the road. If you smoke or drink a lot of coffee, talk to your dentist about whitening options. 7. Get plenty of sleep. Noticing bags under the eyes? It could be because you're not getting enough rest. The average adult needs between 7 and 9 hours of sleep. If you're still seeing bags under your eyes, you can reduce the puffiness by placing cold spoons on your eyes. Also, chilled raw potato slices placed under the eyes for around 20 minutes can help reduce dark circles. They contain catecholus, a skin lightening enzyme. 8. Keep your lips soft. Here's a simple beauty tip for men: use lip balm. Lips age drastically and they can dry out fast. Throw a lip balm, preferably one with sun protection, into your pocket and apply it throughout the day.